Have you heard of mail merge? Well, Google offers a free to use mail merge script that allows you to simply send personalized bulk emails to all your targeted contacts. This is a clean, professional, and the right way to send bulk emails to all your contacts using Gmail. Hey guys, Stewart here, welcome back to this channel and thanks for joining me if it's your first time here. Now today in this mail merge tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can start sending bulk personalized emails inside Gmail so that you can effectively reach and connect with your contacts without having to send individual emails or use the unprofessional BCC method. So in just a few steps, you'll be able to start broadcasting personalized emails inside Gmail. Okay, so before we go ahead and launch into this brief tutorial, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that happy note out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into how you can start sending bulk emails inside Gmail for free. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this mail merge tutorial for Gmail. Now the first thing that we need to do is we need to locate the mail merge script for Gmail. You can do that by searching mail merge for Gmail in Google and then look for this page here, or feel free to click the link in our description below this video and that's going to take you here. And once you've arrived on Create a Mail Merge with Gmail and Google Sheets, simply navigate down the page until you find Set Up the Script, and this is where we want to make a copy of the Gmail Sheets Mail Merge sample spreadsheet. So to do that, simply go ahead and click on Make a Copy, and then click on Make a Copy. And make sure you've logged into the same Google account that you use for your Gmail. Okay, so how does this work? Well, essentially what we want to do is fill out the details here with the information that we want to bulk send to our recipients. Now you can customize all of these column headers except for C, recipients, and also G, email sent. But if you like, you can change discount amounts, discount code description, and last name and first name. So what I'll do is bring up an example of a spreadsheet that I created earlier. Okay, so here's an example of the information I need to send a bulk email to all my recipients. Now, if I navigate up to column A, you can see I haven't changed the column header for A, first name, as well as for B, last name, and then C, remember recipients, you cannot change the column headers for C or G. Now, I've left D the same, description. However, I've gone ahead and I've customized E and F, so I've added project type and business name. So these are the project types that we engage in that our clients want to work with us on. Then I've also added business names, so these are the business names. So as you can see, I have 4 email recipients that I want to send this bulk email to. Now let me show you an example of what an email will look like that brings in the information from this spreadsheet. Okay, so first what we want to do if we want to send a bulk email to all our recipients that we've added to our spreadsheet, we first want to navigate up to To, and we want to make sure that we've added these 2 curly brackets or braces at the start as well as closed off at the end. And that's going to send this email to all my recipients. And then down here you can see I've added a subject line. We are ready to start, and this is the project type with you. So again, you want to add 2 curly brackets or braces and then add the header exactly how it appears in your columns, and then closed off with 2 curly brackets, braces again. Now to make sure that this information is correct, you want to copy the exact header how it appears on the spreadsheet. Then if we come down here, we want to add our email, and as you can see I've added elements from the spreadsheet that I want to pull into this email. So as you can see we've got hey and then first name. Again, I've used 2 curly brackets or braces at the start and the end of first name because I want this email to be personalized. I want this email to send with the personalized information to each of my recipients. So I've got the first name in here, and then in the body I've added, I just want to reach out and see if business name is ready to engage in project type with us. And remember, within my spreadsheet, I changed the column header to business name as well as project type. And this is automatically going to generate that information for each of my recipients. So as you can see, there's 5 areas where the spreadsheet is going to pull information and add that into my email. We have the recipient, the project type, first name, business name, and project type. Again, it's important to make sure that the column header is exactly how it displays if you want that information to be pulled into your email. Then once you've composed your email, what we want to do is head back to our Google Sheets. And ideally, you want to send a bulk email test first. Okay, so I'm ready to send this bulk email to all my recipients. To do that, I'm going to navigate up to Mail Merge and then click on Send Emails. Then come down and click on Continue for Authorization Required. Log in with your Google account. Then come down and click on Allow. Then what we need to do is navigate up to Mail Merge again and then click on Send Emails. And this time we need to paste in this subject line from our email. So I'm going to go ahead and find that subject line. And here is the subject line. I'm going to go ahead, copy this, and head back to my Google Sheets and paste in the subject line here of the email that I want to send to all these recipients. Then navigate over to OK when you're ready to send this bulk email to all your email recipients that you've added in the spreadsheet. Then simply give it a few moments and you should be able to see your sent emails. You can see the date and the time when that email was sent to your recipients. So I'm going to go ahead and look in my email and see if I received one of these emails. Okay, so let's see if I received and what this email looks like in my inbox. And as you can see, I'm happy with this test email. So now what I can do is send the same email to all my email recipients. As you can see, the keyword in here, consulting, which was added under project type within Google Sheets, has been added here, as well as over here. And then the business name is added here, as well as the individual's name. So as you can see, just like that, you can send bulk emails using Mail Merge for Gmail completely for free. And there are so many ways that you can use this personalized email marketing activity with Gmail. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this brief Gmail and Mail Merge tutorial for beginners. Now, if you have any questions about using Mail Merge, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.